Hi, Faduma. Good morning to you. How are you?
Good morning. How are you feeling today?
I'm
Better?
feeling a lot better, actually. Actually, I just came from a road tour. I just arrived after a 2-hour drive, and good thing
That sounds
I was
funny.
able to make it. And of course, very excited to do this training with all of our partners joining us in different parts of the world. And thank God that I am a lot better than the previous days.
Yeah, we're all praying for you, Rico. And I'm so glad that you're doing better and you're here with us today. And all of us, we're so happy and we're waiting your amazing training today. And more people are joining our Zoom.
All right. Thank you so much, Faduma. And of course, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. And before we get started, I just want to say congratulations to all of our new partners who has joined us for the month of August. I know that we are still counting before the before the cutoff, and of course, I'm very excited because I think whenever I am on tour, especially I went on tour yesterday. We basically have three presentations that we have done, and the first one was a bit rusty because I still have this cold that I have been feeling, especially for the past few days. But each and every time I do my presentations, I get better and better. So I think that's my medicine. So yeah, that's the thing that really keeps me going. And I just want to, of course, recognize our new partners as well here in the Philippines. In our presentations, we had one new partner, LAP. And I was so very excited because we were just doing a simple presentation with her. And lo and behold, she really liked the product. And eventually, right on the spot, she decided to join us, one of our Lifestyle Advisor Plus. And of course, we also have our new brand partners. We have two new LAs as well over the past 2 days that we were on the tour. So congratulations to each and everyone. And I can see some more partners, new partners joining us in different parts of the world, qualifying for MGRS, qualifying for car club bonuses. We still have 1 day to go. All right, 1 day to go before the month ends. So make sure that you put in all of your qualifications, especially for the month end, because this is an exciting time for Opulence Global, especially with the opening of our new office just last week. I know that a lot of our partners are still feeling that excitement and that energy that we have experienced over the opening over the last week. Okay, so today we're going to talk about, of course, the next steps. Now, this is very important, especially when we are doing this business. We need to have a system in place. Okay, this is the mandate of our CEO. And as you know, right now we are investing heavily. This will be our focus, particularly when it comes to growing our people. Okay, growing our team, because we always believe that the development or the growth or the progress of our business rests on the development of our people. Okay, so that is why this Launchpad training is a very important training that every one of our partners, especially the new ones, should attend so that they can see how they can get to the next level. As you know, it was Anthony Robbins who said that the key to happiness is to progress. All right. So we should always progress because that's the key to happiness. If we are not progressing, then there's not enough reason for us to celebrate, right? And as our CEO says, if you're not getting better, you're getting worse. Okay. So this is the thing that we will be sharing with you today, training on you when it comes to the Launchpad training. So let me just share with you my screen, and let's take a deeper dive on the next steps when it comes to how we can grow and build our business. Because after all, what we would want is for us to have professional network builders, right? If you're going to start a business, might as well know, learn, and master what the business is all about and how we can progress, how we can get to the next level. So this is what this training is all about. And as you can see here, I hope that you can see my screen right now. So it's a mandatory training to ensure fast and sustainable growth in your business. So who among you would want to grow their business faster and to sustain it? All right, not just grow it faster, but to sustain it over a period of time. Because at the end of the day, the promise of this industry, the promise of this business is that you can be able to enjoy your lifelong residual income. And for us to accomplish that, we need to have a system in place. A system wherein a new person, once he or she comes in, he already knows the next steps. He already knows what to do. And sad to say, according to statistics, a majority of the people who leave this industry is mainly for the reason, first, they are excited when they joined in, they see the future ahead of them, they see something good in this opportunity, in this business. But guess what? But the reason why they stop or they quit is because they do not know what to do, right? The next steps. And this is exactly the training that will provide you the information on what you need to do when it comes to growing and building your business, okay? So this is the initial training that we conduct, especially for our new partners. And if you are already an existing partner who have been with us for a long time already, this can be your refresher course, right? So it's time to reset, refresh, and let's go. So let's dive into our Launchpad training. So this is your essential business guide to thrive in opulence global. And I believe that's the key word, to thrive, not just to survive. All right. So it's a step-by-step instruction. We also have power strategies, tips that you can apply to your business, success mindset tips, and income growth tactics. And this is perfect for new or relaunching your brand. And of course, your new partners. And we need to start strong, build smart to launch to success. Okay. So first and foremost, passion and desire. You know, I was talking to a group of people. We did a presentation this afternoon, just right before I got home and do this training. And you know what? I'm very passionate to share with them about the products, about the opportunity, about our experience, our personal testimony, all of the things that we have experienced, right? And the reason why we keep on doing that is because we believe in what we do. We believe in the opportunity, in the products that we offer. So passion and desire are the true main driving force behind our success. All right. Very, very important is our belief system, right? What is the tripod of belief? These are the three things that we should believe on. One is the company, one is the products, and of course, and of the opportunity, and at the same time the belief in ourselves. Okay, so this is where the passion is enhanced, right? So what simple upgrades or changes would you make in your home? So let's start with that. Is there anything that you want to improve in your life, right? So is it your home? Is it your lifestyle? Is it your daily routine? Are you sick and tired of being sick and tired, right? So this is a time for us to make a change. And we know that this opportunity can allow us to experience the freedom that we are all yearning for, right? Time and financial freedom. So if this is something that you would want to accomplish in your life, then make sure that you have this target, you have this drive, you have this passion to change the way you live your life, right? So if you had a little extra income, what would be your first move? All right. So that is the question that will be answered, particularly in this training. Okay. So the section 1 of our Launchpad training talks about the opulence commandments. You know, when we talk about commandments, this is the things that we need to do in order for us to have how you would say that, so that we can get organized. Because in a business, if you are not organized, if you do not have a system in place, then chances are you'll be running around in circles but accomplishing nothing, right? So we want to make sure that you are understanding the basic principles of our business, okay? The basic skills that you need to develop, the basic things that you need to do, because this will lay the foundation of the growth of your business. Okay, so this is the initial setup. And this is very important So again, with these commandments, if you are not able to accomplish these commandments, then chances are there might be some struggles when it comes to you doing your business. Okay? But this opulence commandments will guide you, allow you to have that strong foundation in setting up your business. Okay, so this is your essential initial set up steps to launch your opulence global business right away. So number one is add us to your contact list. You should be able to know your support system. Okay, so very, very important, because there are a lot of things that you want to understand, that you want to clarify, that you want to learn, and it's always okay to ask. Okay, there are no right or wrong questions, especially if you're new. The more you ask, the more that you will understand. And it's always good to know that you have a support system that works with you. You are not alone in the business. Remember that. This is a business not just by yourself, but of course you have a team, all right? A team that will support you, train you, coach you, mentor you. And one of this is, of course, your contact list, especially the company, okay? And of course, your My5. So make sure that you know the contact list of your company and your My5. And then follow us on our social media. Now, this is very important because most of the updates is provided in our social media. So we basically have a lot of social media pages that you can follow. It's always good to be updated with all of the promotions, the events, and all of the exciting things that are posted in our social media. Even we post in our social media some graphics, those posters that you can forward so that you can advertise and promote your brand, your product, and your opportunity. And of course, number three is meet your My5. This is your support system. Now, for those of you who do not understand the My5, these are your what we call uplines. Okay, your line of sponsorship, the first, the core people that are doing that are actively doing the business. So why do we have this My5 is because you do not only rely on one support system, right? We know we have different time zones, we have different markets, we have different strategies, approaches, and it's always good that you have a number of people that you know can support you, especially in your time of need. Okay, so make sure that you know who your My5 is. So it can be your sponsor, it can be the sponsor of your sponsor, it can be the company. So make sure that you know and identify who your My5 is, so that in case that you have any questions or anything that you would like to know more about the business, especially when the business is becoming challenging, all right? Because I know that in every business, not just in our business, there are a lot of challenges, right? So it's always good that you have someone above you who is more experienced than you that can teach you, guide you, and mentor you, because they have more experience than you. So it's always good to have your My5 support so that you'll be guided as you build your business. And then number four is rank up to lifestyle advisor, especially if you've just started as a brand partner. So it's always good to rank up to the lifestyle advisor plus, in order for you to maximize all of the benefits of your business. Okay, now number five is to set your monthly smart buy. Now, why is this important? Again, this is one of the most important things in order for you to enjoy what we call the lifelong residual income. Now, there are a lot of benefits when you are on Smart Buy. First and foremost, you become a product of the product, right? So very, very important is that you are also the first customer of your business. You should be using the products all the time. And with your Smart Buy purchase, which gives you, of course, shopping credits, you'll be able to use all of the products that are available in your online shop. Okay, and then on top of that, the Smart Buy allows you to get additional discount. Of course, the Smart Buy also allows you to have your own personal inventory of products. You know, in starting a business, you should always have products on hand, because you'll never know when someone will be needing your product, right? Because every customer, every people that you meet is a potential customer. So make sure that you have ready-made products that you can give to them, especially when they order it from you. Okay, and then of course, number six is make sure that you join our weekly webinars. This is very important as well. because remember, in our business, you always need to be connected. Okay, you always need to have that source of information, source of inspiration, source of energy, source of excitement, because I'll guarantee you for 1 week that you are not attending any trainings, any tours, any webinars. Guess what? You'll be like a cell phone that is what we call low battery. So that's the reason why I never miss, okay? Never miss the calls, because this is the reason why I get more learning, why I get more information, why I become more excited. And of course, when people need information from me, I am always updated because I always tune in to our weekly webinars. So if you want to learn more on how to grow and of course sustain the growth of your business, make sure that you're always tuned into the weekly webinars. And not only you, make sure that you invite your whole team as well, because you would want a strong team, right? And in order for you to have a strong team, they always need the nourishment, right? They always need the trainings, the inspiration, the excitement, and the energy. Okay. So number 7, become a master of prints and links. Now we have a lot of resources that are being provided to us by Opulence Global, by our company. So make sure that we take advantage of them. Prints and links allows you to tap into the system so that you can duplicate, your team can duplicate the system that you are employing into your business. All right. Prints and links are the sources of information for your team as well. All right. So make sure that they are that you and your team knows all of the prints and links that are available to you. And number 8 is be forensic, be a pro, get your MO box. Now, what is MO? MO stands for method of operation. So how do you run your business? In a day, in a week, in a month, in a year. If you don't have your MO, then chances are you'll be just doing the business whenever you want, wherever you want. And, there is, it's very hard to succeed in this business if you don't have consistency on how you build, how you do your business, right? So that's why method of operation is very important. And of course, we have, what we call the MO box, which tracks the performance of your business, which tracks the task that you need to do. Okay. So make sure that you have that as well. And then number 9, one of the most important thing is to register for iPayout. iPayout is where you can withdraw or get your bonuses and commissions. Okay. Do not just leave it there in your e-wallet. Okay. So your e-wallet is where your bonuses and commissions are deposited by the company, and iPayout is where you can withdraw your bonuses and commissions. Okay. So it's very easy to do. Of course, it is provided in your in the financial section. So under iPayout access, iPayout registration. So make sure that you also check on our video on how you can register for iPayout. Okay. And of course, those are the first topics, basic topics. So if any one of you hasn't done yet at least this 9 opulence commandments, so make sure that you take your time to do this, right? Because again, this is the foundation of your business. If we are not able to do the basics of our business, how can we further grow our business, right? And then of course, section 2 talks about first things first. What are the first things? Because as you know, in this business, there are a lot of items. There are a lot of things that we need to understand, learn, and apply to our business. And sometimes, as our CEO says, when there are too many things that you are working on, when confusion sets in, guess what? What did our CEO say? Right? When confusion sets in, inactivity starts to happen. So when people are confused, then they tend to, just sit back and not do anything at all because they're confused. What we would want is clarity. clarity when it comes to the next steps on what we need to do in building our business. Okay? All right. Yes, 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 that's right. Progress, progress. Yes. All right. So first things first. So what are the first things first? So first simple steps is, of course, to be able to understand the tour. Okay? Because our business basically relies on sharing the opportunity, the products that we have. All right? So basically, it's where our business grows. You became a part of this business because of the presentation that you have seen, because of the tour that you have seen. All right? And the key to this business is the more presentations, the more tours that you do, the more results that you're going to have. As simple as that, right? There are a lot of people who still doesn't know about opulence. There are a lot of people who still doesn't know about, Fountain of Life, Divine, fashion items, all of the products that we have. There are a lot of people who still do not know about the opportunity that we offer. Financial freedom, time freedom, lifelong residual income, vacations, right? So all of those things. And where do we showcase it? In our tours. So that is the first thing that we need to work on, to understand first what the tour is all about. Second, how do we do our own personal presentation or tours? Because the faster you learn on how to do your presentation, the faster that you can grow your business as well, right? So I remember when I get started here in the Philippines, that was the first thing that I mastered. Because I know if I want to grow this business, I should be able to I should be able to present and share the opportunity that we have to as many people as possible. And if I still need to wait for my upline or my coaches to do it, then I don't have independence, right? The growth of my business will now be dependent on the availability of my upline, right? So the first thing that I work on is to watch the tours. So I watched a lot of tours, and I think I become a stalker of Rene because he was the first one that I know doing a lot of presentations, right? So I just copied and copied Rene, how he does it, and I tried to understand it, and then eventually I was able to do my own presentations, right? And then another tool that you can use is our website. If you are not yet capable of doing the tours, well, the good thing is we have also tools that you can use. So one of them is the presentation of our SVP. So who else can deliver a very good tour? None other than our SVP, who has been in the business for so many years already, right? So it's a very professional video. So you can show live tour online or in person using the flip chart or the placemat. Okay, so launch the new mall in your opportunity. So if you still and right now that's the great thing, you don't have to search in YouTube anymore because it's already provided in our website. Okay, so the link is provided there. When you go to our website, just click on the opportunity, and then under the opportunity you can already click on the tour video, which was done by our SVP, none other than by our SVP, of course. So provide or lead the new team members to the next training. So when in doubt, zoom out. What got you excited when you first saw the opulence plan, right? So again, the reason why you are here is because you were able to see an opportunity that can change your life. So let us not change that, right? So the more tours that we show, the more presentations that we show, the more people that we expose this opportunity and products that we have, the more people will also be excited, okay, to become a part of your team, right? To become a part of this opportunity. So clarity, simplicity, and duplication is the key in order for you to grow your business, okay? So first things first, don't fight the system. We have a saying, do not reinvent the wheel. Okay? So especially if it's already proven, and by the way, this is written by our none other than our CEO himself, was able to build multiple massive businesses, right? Multi-million dollar businesses. And of course, this is based on his experience. So it means that if we are doing the same thing, the same system that our CEO did in order for him to build multi-million dollar businesses, if we follow the same steps, then we can also be on our way to achieve the things that he has already achieved for in the business, right? So number one is you cannot do it by yourself. You need help. Okay. I remember when we were starting, no, in this industry. Okay. When I was starting in this industry, I brought someone in. Okay. And then this person was more of like something like, there's a saying here that they kind of know it all, right? They know it all. So that sometimes there's a person who thinks he knows it all. So, and then the sponsor, my sponsor during the time said a key phrase. He said, when when the student is ready, the teacher will arrive. Okay. Now I didn't understand what the meaning of that was in the what's the meaning at first, right? But then eventually I learned that one of the key ingredients in order for you to grow the business is when you understand that in order for you to grow, you need to be willing to learn. Okay? Willing to learn, willing to be guided. And sometimes our pride and ego gets in the way, thinking that, you know what, I'm smart enough. I know how to build this. I know how to do this. I have, graduated. I have this degree already. And I will be mentored by a housewife. I will be mentored by someone who is not as professional as me. When you have that kind of attitude, you should flush it down. Okay. Flush down your pride and ego, because the reason why some people succeed in this business is because they have already experienced the challenges, they have experienced the growth in the business. So better listen to those people who have gone ahead of you. Okay, because they know more the business than you do, especially if you're new. You should be willing to learn. Okay, and understand that you cannot do it by yourself. You need help. Everyone needs help. And the more that you are open to, helping, to getting more help, the faster, and of course, it becomes easier for you. Okay? So flush out your ego and pride and be willing to learn. Okay? Because leaders are great learners. Always remember that. Okay? And then adopt the win principle. Win principle is what's important now. Okay? What's important now? And what's important now is for you to be able to learn and adapt the system. Okay? What's important now? All right? And then simple business, don't follow anyone. No experiments, follow the system, and you will win. And this is actually, again, as I've said earlier, this is a creation of our CEO who has massive experience in building multi-million dollar businesses. Okay, so if you follow the system, first, you adopt the system, follow the system, and you teach others to follow the system as well. Okay, so you either have uniformity in the team or you have confusion. And again, as I've said earlier, when confusion sets in, inactivity starts to happen. Okay, so uniformity. When people see the uniformity, when people see that what you are doing is duplicable, then people will follow you, right? It's not complicated. All right, you follow the system, you teach the system, and then they will follow it, and then they can see that they can do it as well. Okay, because if you try to do things that you can do, okay, then chances are your team will say, the reason why he became promoted or the reason why he succeed in the business is because he's very good. I'm not very good. And that's a very dangerous thing that your team will think about, right? So make sure that what you're doing is duplicable. Do not reinvent the wheel. Okay, have uniformity. Company provides the system and training, upline provides inspiration and support. Okay, and sometimes also the company provides inspiration, and of course the upline also does the system and training as well. Okay, system over substance. Momentum grows on clarity and simplicity. That's why right now we have of course updated our chant, one team, one dream, because one team, one dream, we can accomplish something. But if we have one system in place, we can accomplish much, much more, right? We can achieve the billion-dollar vision by being one, united in the team. We have one dream, one vision of achieving that billion-dollar sales, right? And if we have one system in place where everyone can duplicate, right? Then we will be on our way much faster. Okay, so you either have one system or no system at all. One team, one dream, one system. So events are vital for success, and I personally experienced that over the past 2 days. After I got sick, I feel like, I've been feeling weaker and weaker if I'm not going out and talking to people. But over the past 2 days, you know what? It gave me more excitement, more energy, especially when you see the different people, improving their lives, right? So that's why events are vital for success. The more events you do, the faster your business grows. The more people attending your events, especially your team, the faster that you will experience success in your business. Okay? Because events are your business lifeline. Okay? Take note of that. Events are your business lifeline. So whenever there is an event happening in your market, make sure that you attend them. And if there are no events yet happening in your market, make sure that you create one. Because after all, this business is heavily dependent on the number of meetings, activities, events that you are doing in your market. Okay? So where uplines start their journey to become leaders. Okay? So whenever you attend, you become more and more. You become more valuable in the marketplace, as Jim Rohn puts it, right? So when you are attending the events, it strengthens you. It excites you, and it grows you more personally, right? When you are attending these events, okay? And eventually, your personal development will allow you to become the leader in your business, in your team, in your organization. It's also where bonding happens with the team. And I believe that this is one of the key reasons why people stay with you, all right? Because you have that kind of relationship. And that relationship, because we always say that business is not just about partners. Business is all about building relationships, right? Building relationships. And that's the reason why even if some other companies who look to be offering much better opportunity, they come to your team, they wouldn't easily join them. Why? Because you have built a solid relationship with your team, right? And that's what makes them stay. If we have that kind of relationship, it's where bonding happens with the team, where the system builds and expands momentum and not you. Okay? So in every event, we have the same thing going on for us, right? The tours, the launchpad training. So it expands momentum and not you. Okay? So where team conviction begins and sustains, because the more people are attending the events, the higher it increases the conviction of your team. All right, the belief system. Now again, very important, increasing the belief system, and this happens during trainings, during events, and this is where amateurs start their transition to become pros. Okay, so remember what CEO said, right? Those pros get paid, amateurs do not, right? So this is where the personal growth happens when we continue to attend events. Number 6, where everyone starts to know your name. Yes. And I think this is one of the things that, we all yearn for recognition, right? We would want to be recognized. And how about when you are attending events, you're not just recognized in your local markets, but as well as in our global nation. right? So whenever you step up, whenever you participate in events, whenever you are loud and proud, our community is there to support you, and they come to know you. All right. So attending events, not just attending events, but being loud in the trainings, in the meetings, people will come to know your name. It is where also you get noticed by the company, right? So yeah, so this is very important, because when the company identifies that you are also very active, then the company is also willing to support each and every partner who is actively doing the business. Okay? Because we recognize them. It is where the best promotions and deals are offered, especially during events, right? So we have certain events that are happening in local markets, and sometimes when we have events, we here in the Philippines, we do 1 day promotion for those people who attended the event. Okay, number one, to give recognition to those who attended, and the second one is to reward, of course, those people who attended. So sometimes we give raffle promos, right? And some 1 day promotion. So to recognize those who attended during the event. It's where also duplication starts and your business grows automatically and exponentially. And number 10, where you become the hero on the stage and become the inspiration for your team. And this is actually my dream. And you know what? It really touches my heart whenever, because I remember when we were starting the Philippines, we were doing the presentation ourselves, right? And right now, we have been able to develop some of our partners doing the presentations. Just yesterday, a lot of our partners were already standing up. I was just watching at the back and as an audience. And that is the thing that I would like to see. Each and every one of our partners doing the training, doing the inspiration, doing the presentation. So when we see those people, I'm very happy to see that, they are growing, they are progressing, their personal development is showing, right? So that's the thing. When you are attending events, make sure that you are not just an audience, but aim to become a speaker, aim to become a trainer. And that's what the QT is all about. Okay, we want you because we know that we can be inspired by you. All right, so yes, so that's where you become a hero on the stage and become the inspiration for your team. Okay, so section 3 talks about the quick steps. Okay, quick steps. So again, for week 1, especially if you're new, the first thing that you need to focus on is your launchpad training with the upline or with the company, or of course this kinds of session. Because remember, the excitement, I remember when we were starting here as well, the excitement was going up. But there will come a time, if you are not attending trainings, then excitement going up, right? Because excitement is based on how we feel, our emotions. Now the question is, how do you keep the excitement going? Okay? How do you keep the excitement going? Okay? I tell you, the excitement will keep going if their belief system keeps on increasing. Belief system. Okay? Because if they continue to believe and their conviction goes higher and higher, then you can keep the excitement going. Okay? And how do you keep the belief system going? By keeping them on trainings. Okay? Trainings are very important, because trainings provide information and inspiration. Okay? Information and inspiration. So if we go through the Launchpad training, you're learning, right? Information. And then eventually, by listening to the stories of different people who have already gone way ahead in this business, then of course they provide inspiration. So that is the reason why it's always good to do trainings with your upline, because they will not only train you on the procedure, but they will also train you on based on their personal experience, what they have experienced, the challenges, how they have overcome it, and how they deal with objections. All right. So week 1, go through your launchpad training. When we say week 1, there is a level of urgency. Because when a new person comes in, they're very excited. That's the reason why they join. But if we don't reinforce it within the first week, even within the first 72 hours, then chances are their excitement will go down. Okay? So make sure that you train them, because of course, giving them, of course, this training will give them a wider view, a wider perspective of where this business can take you. It's also giving them the personal growth that they need. Okay? So go through the Launchpad training with upline or company training. That is why this is mandatory. If you want to sustain the growth in your business, sustain the growth of your team as well, of your new people, right? And then week 2, conduct your first 2 tours online or in person using the flip chart or placemat tour. Okay? So week 1 is training, because this is very important. It's hard for a new person to go out there, face rejection without strengthening his mind and the character of the person, right? Because if they experience rejection and they're just new, chances are they wouldn't go back anymore. They would quit, right? But if like in the military, you train them first before they go out in the battlefield. It makes a lot of difference, right? So week 2, when they are conducting the tours, they are more equipped. They are more prepared, right? So conduct your first 2 tours. Week 1 is launchpad training. Week 2 is conduct your tours. And then number 3 is the first 30 days, register to become a host and QP and attend an Opulence Bootcamp training. So it's really more of reinforcing your belief system, so that as you do the business, you are not just there not to go out and do anything in any way, right? It's more of like understanding how the business works, understanding how how to do the process of growing your business. And of course, it's more about equipping you, strengthening you, increasing your belief level. All right. So that is why the focus of our business right now is not just getting new people in. It's not enough to just bring people in. We should have that mindset that once they come in, we give them the training that they need, equipping that they need. Because the growth of your business will depend on the strength of your people, the strength of your team. Okay? All right. Quick steps. All right. So anyway, if you have any questions, please feel free to put it in our Q&A box. And then we'll cover whatever we can cover for an hour. And it's almost, wow, time flies so fast. By the way, I'm deep diving into this. I'm not just passing through it. So that at least we can have an understanding of how important this training is. Okay. And then, of course, when it comes to the post-launch, there are 10 actions that you must take for proper start. Number 1, order inventory. Very, very important. You should always have inventory on hand, especially if you're doing events, right? And this is exactly the reason why we ask our new partners, if you want to grow your business, launch your business, launch your package, right? And the reason why we ask them that is for them to have their first their inventories with them, so that by the next meeting that we will do, we will help you to move out your inventory. Okay? Because if we are going to do the next meeting and you are not yet launching your package, then who will benefit, right? I have my products, you don't. So when people come, they will get my products, not yours, right? So order inventory, make sure that it's available. Because I know whenever we do meetings and presentations, people become interested. People like our products, people like the opportunity. And it's just a matter of time that they will avail the products. It's just a matter of time that they will avail the opportunity. So always have products on hand. I have a bitter experience when it comes to that. And that's what we call lost sales. Okay. So don't let it happen to you. And then number 2 is visit the opportunity page. Okay, visit the opportunity page. Of course, watch the video over and over again so that you can master it. Repetition is the mother of all learning. If you want to do presentations better and faster, if you want to learn it faster, then watch it over and over again, just like a song. If you keep on listening to it over and over again, you will memorize the song. You'll be able to sing the song in no time, right? So same thing with the presentation. That's what I did. I watched Rene's presentation over and over again until I can be able to copy him. Okay? And then watch and share the video tour. Okay? Review the PowerPoint tour and packages. So make sure that you are a master of what you are offering. Okay? And not in the sense like when someone asks you how much is the package, you still need to call upline. My5 support. That's not the way to do it, right? Your My5 is there to help you on your business, but not to do all the things for you in the business, right? All right. So these are the basic information things that you need to master yourself: the packages, the prices of the products. Of course, you have your website with you. You can always check it out there. And then complete the opulence commandments. Number 4, open the welcome pack. Okay. So make sure that you utilize all the tools that are available for you, okay? Especially in the welcome kit. It is there for a reason. You know, the company spends a lot of time providing you with all the tools that you need. So make sure that you make use of them. Imagine if you are starting your own business. You'll be doing all of the work. And you know what? in our business, you don't need to do that anymore, right? Because everything is provided to you. All right, especially the brochures, the flyers, the flip charts, right? So make sure that you check what's available for you, what's on your hand right now, and utilize it well. Okay. And then message your My5 uplines and all top leaders just to say hello. I would encourage you to create the GC for your My5, right? This is your support system. This is your support tools. I may call them mentors and coaches. Because remember, in any business, you need someone who will guide you, someone who is experienced that can guide you in growing your business, right? So these are your My5. So be the one, especially if you're new, be the one to be eager to contact your My5. Okay? So because you know your My5 probably have a lot of, I know that your My5 have a lot of GCs already. Just like me, I have so many GCs. So if you're a new partner and you want to succeed in this business, be the one. Know your My5, right? Contact your My5. Okay? Work for yourself, but not by yourself. Okay? Number 6, book appointments. And I believe this is also the most important step. Booking appointments, setting invitations. Go through your list, right? Go through your list. Make sure that you have a list. Okay? In our forensic networker, at least minimum 500 names. Why is it important to have more names? Because the more names you have, the bigger your business will be. Remember, the asset of your business are your list of people, your list of names. Okay? If you just wrote 10 lists or 10 names, those people that you try to contact first and share the product, share the opportunity. If you talk to 1, 2, 3, and then those 3 said no to you and said no to you, then you only have 7. And guess how would you feel when you only have 7 left to talk to? You'd say like, oh, this business doesn't work. This business is so hard, right? But if you have 100 names initially that you wrote down, you talk to 1, 2, 3, they said no. What's in your mind is that there's still 97 more, right? So why would I dwell on these no's when I know that every no is a step closer to the yes? I still have more people to talk to. I still have more people to share the products and opportunity, right? So the bigger your list, the bigger your business, right? And imagine if you have 500 lists, okay? So yeah, so basically that's very, very important. Setting appointments in order for them to do so that you can do presentation with them. Okay. So when we say setting appointments, it's just invitation. Invitation is not equal to explanation. That's different. All right. Invitation is just, encouraging them to meet with you, to book a time with you, so that you can be able to show the bigger picture of what your business is all about. Don't do presentations in booking appointments, right? Because they're not yet ready, right? And if you give them bits and pieces of what the opportunity is all about, not showing the whole opportunity presentation, then they will already decide based on the bits and pieces that you give them. But more often than not, when they see the whole presentation, they see the bigger picture, right? That's the reason why a lot of people become more interested when they see the bigger picture of the opportunity that we share with them. Okay. And then, of course, booking appointments is sick. Number 7 is conduct daily tours. You and your qualified upline, we call it before 2-on-1. All right, 2-on-1. So 2-on-1 means me and my upline, and of course, my prospect. All right, me, my upline, and my prospect. So what happens there, especially if you're new, do not go out just by yourself yet. Okay. First, attend the training. Second, on your first tour, make sure that you are doing it first with your qualified upline. Okay? Because your qualified upline will demonstrate, will be the one doing the initial presentation, and uh, as the one being mentored by your upline, do not just introduce your prospect and then go prepare the coffee, prepare the food, not even listening, right? So the reason for that is not just for your prospect, but you as a new partner, you want to learn how your upline does it, right? So it's a two-pronged. The presentation is not just for your prospect, it's also for you to learn and understand how it is done. Okay? So that's what we call 2-on-1. And then sooner or later, when you already know how to do the presentation, we call it 1-on-1. Okay? 1-on-1 gives you more independence in doing your business, in doing your presentations. Okay? And of course, always have the tool with you, whether it be in the presentation in your computer or in the flip chart, then make sure that you have that tool. And then number 8, share testimonials. Facebook at Fountain of Life and Divine official page. So this is very important as well. So make sure that the moment that you do your presentations with your prospect, make sure that you add them up in the Facebook page, okay? Fountain of Life and Divine official. All right, so that they will always see the updates when it comes to the testimonials, when it comes to the product updates. And number 9, close tours with tools, okay? 3-way qualified uplines. So if you're closing, it's always good to contact, of course, your upline. Why? All right. So sometimes, especially if you're new, if you still do not know how to close, it's always good to have someone who is more experienced so that you can also see not just how the presentation is done, but as well as seeing how he negotiates, how he deals with the objections, right? So closing the doors with tools. Number 1 tool is that your qualified upline as well. Okay. And then offer promotions, offer current promotions. So that's the reason why when you go to your back office, you can always check on what promotions are available, because promotions create urgency. That is the reason why your prospect should be joining now, not next month, not next 3 months, but now, because we have a promotion that's ongoing. So use that. That's the purpose of the promotion. We have a promotion that is ongoing right now. I would be glad if you would be able to enjoy all of the freebies when it comes to this promotion. Okay, the reason why I am very eager to have you join right now, because I don't want you to miss on this promotion. So it creates urgency for the person to decide to join right now. Okay, and number 10 is support, follow up, and duplication. Invite prospects to the next training, and they will launch and also set the right duplication process. Because remember, especially for the new partner, what they sees in you What they see in you, they will do. Not that what they hear from you. Okay, what they see in you, they will do. Okay, so that's where duplication happens. So if you're not using the system, though, using the tools, then chances are they will not be able to duplicate you. Okay. So these are just some of the post-launch steps in order for you to make that proper start in your business. Because I know, especially if you're new in Opulence Global, you're joining us here today. I know that you are excited to grow your business. But remember, always learn more about the system. Remember, if you became a franchise, let's say of McDonald's, right? The first thing that the franchisees does, okay, is that they undergo an extensive training on how the process, how the business is done. They've invested millions, right, when it comes to starting and putting up that franchise. And the reason why we have that kind of franchise is because they already have proven products, proven system in place. And that's the reason that they put in the capitalization, because with the proven system, they know that they can succeed in the business. So once they have put in the money, the investment, once they become a franchisor of the business, then the next step that they do is to go to an extensive training to learn about the system, because they want to get their money back, right? That's the reason why they learn first on how the business, how the system works, particularly in that kind of business. So same is true in our business. We have proven products. We have a proven system, proven opportunity. Now learn the system on how people were able to grow this business. Okay? So that's very, very important. And I think we can stop here. Okay? We can stop here. And if we have any questions, particularly when it comes to those things that we have discussed today, please feel free to put in your Q&As. And again, this is not just a training for you, but this is also a training that you need to also learn for yourself, so that when someone comes in, you'll be able to go through this training with them. Okay? Because remember, with the training, belief, conviction increases, and the higher the belief of your team, the more that they will stay, the more that you will sustain the growth of your business. Personal development is the key. Remember, the key to growing your business is growing your team, right? And how to grow your team is to bring them to the system. I call this the leadership factory, right? New prospect, bring them to the leadership factory, bring them to the system. When they come out, then that's how you develop new leaders, new business builders in your team, right? So that's why training is very important, and I'm glad that our CEO put this in place, particularly the Launchpad training. Okay. All right.
Thank you.
I
Thank
hope
you,
that
Rico.
I was able to share with you something that can help you in your business.
Thank you. It was really helpful. And I'm learning each and every day your amazing training and calls. I want to thank you, Ferris. Thank you so much for your amazing training. And I learned from your call, like you mentioned, if you don't have consistency, you will not success. And that's really true. Because when you have consistency, like for me, I'm doing now, like I'm following steps from like my team who have succeeded in this business, and I'm trying to follow their footsteps uh to become a successful. So they always tell me be consistent, as you mentioned. And also you
Yeah.
mentioned share the opportunity of our business. And that's true. Like whenever I share our opportunity to other people or my prospects, they're like, wow, are we missing this? And I think I learned from your call also to build a strong relationship with my team, because they're the foundation of my success.
Yeah.
And yeah, thank you. That's really powerful. Thank you.
Yes, and
That's
what I have learned, especially, just want to add up, Faduma. One thing that I have learned, particularly when it comes to growing your team, is of course the principle by by our SVP, right? Show people you care, give them the love that they need, right? So love your team. In any way you can serve them, in any way you can help them, in any way that you can inspire them, bring it all out because they need it. They need a lot of inspiration. And you know what's magical there, Faduma, is that sometimes we are also experiencing a lot of challenges ourselves, right?
yes, that's true.
Right? So
Yes.
especially in our business, in our personal life. But whenever I'm coming into a meeting, I take the focus out of myself and I focus on how I can help my team. And that makes me even happier. I tend to forget also all of the challenges that I have, right?
Yes,
And that's the
I feel
magical
that
thing,
too.
right?
I feel that too.
And that's the magical thing there, right? So yeah.
Thank you for your amazing call, and thank you my teammates who are here and who are not here as well. And I'm learning each and every day from them a lot. And as you mentioned, I feel good too. Like whenever I join, go to tour or I meet with them and having conversations, asking questions. Like for the first, I wasn't like so comfortable asking questions, and now like I text or call them. Oh, what is this? What is this? That's like yeah. I'm growing. I'm so happy. I'm growing.
Yeah.
Yes,
I'm
really.
glad. I'm seeing that actually, Faduma. I'm seeing it, especially you taking on the challenge for the QT program. That's wonderful. That's the way for you to grow yourself, right?
Yeah, thank you, thank you. I'm still learning. Thank you so much, Rico, for your amazing training, and thank you, everybody.
Before we do it, Paduma, sorry, I just want to commend you for being an amazing host. I can see all of the messages coming in our chat box, and they're congratulating you, thanking you, and for doing a fantastic job. So yeah, I enjoy every bit of the hosting that you do. And thank you so much for your dedication as well. I know that you prepared for this, and of course, you allot time for this, and I know that you are really working on getting better and better when it comes to you doing the hosting and eventually the presentation and the training as well. Okay, so again, thank you so much, Paduma. So now let's get on with our vision, and our vision is one team,
Team, one dream,
one dream, one
one
system
system to
to
the
the billion.
billion. Thank you, everybody.